Hello everyone. Welcome to my presentation on split interfaces in object-oriented programming using Java. This presentation is prepared by Richa Khobragre. Split interface. A split interface occurs when a large or general interface is divided into smaller, more specific interfaces. Each smaller interface serves a particular purpose or behavior. This concept is based on the interface segregation principle, which is one of the solid principles of object-oriented programming. Importance of split interfaces. If one interface contains too many methods, not all classes that implement it will need all of them. This causes unnecessary code, makes maintenance harder, and creates tight coupling between classes and unused functionalities. To avoid this, we split the interface into multiple smaller and cohesive interfaces. Interface segregation principle. The interface segregation principle states that no class should be forced to depend on methods it does not use. A large interface may contain irrelevant methods for some classes, leading to fat interfaces and complex systems. By splitting interfaces, we create multiple, role-specific ones that keep the code cleaner, more focused, and easier to maintain. For example, think of a universal remote control that has buttons for a TV, DVD. Split interface in animation. Let's understand how split interfaces work in animation. Instead of a single interface with many methods, we identify distinct animation behaviors. For instance, drawing, applying physics, or responding to user input. Then, we define separate interfaces for each behavior: iDrawable with a draw method, iPhysics object with an applyPhysics method, and iInteractive with an onMouseClick method. Split interface in animation. Now we implement these based on roles. For example, a bouncing ball class will only implement the interfaces relevant to it, such as iDrawable and a physics object, but not all animation methods. This helps decouple the animation logic. The rendering system only interacts with drawable objects, while the physics engine interacts with physics-based objects. Benefits of split interface with animation. There are several benefits of using split interfaces. First, decoupling. It reduces dependencies and ensures classes only know about the functionality they need. Second, flexibility. It allows easier changes and extensions. New behaviors can be added without modifying existing code. And third, clarity. It makes code easier to read and understand, because each interface and class has a focused responsibility. Thank you for watching my presentation.